Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do a two-step, how to get like a nice two-step using Hondata. So it should work for Civics, DC2s, and all those Integras. It should work for other cars also, just different values and stuff like that. But the whole concept and stuff, it should be there, should be the same, just different values, different management systems and stuff. But if you're using Hondata, like S300, and I don't know about Chrome or anything like that. I haven't seen those softwares, but it should be the same idea. So I'll show you guys on the laptop. If you have Hondata, just go on there, and then do your little click in and stuff. So I'll show you guys where to go so you can get like some good popping sounds. I haven't checked for flames yet, but I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna look for it. Hopefully in this video I'll find the flame tune, and then I'll show you. But for now, I'll show you guys how to get like a good banging and popping two-step. I just did a little test, and there's like 1-2 flames, but it's tiny ones. So I'm gonna mess with the two-step and see if I can get some bigger ones, and hopefully I can show you guys that part too. But for that, I should maybe add more fuel or something. So I'll mess with it. I'll show you guys where to go, so you guys can also do it to your cars and try to figure it out. Just remember, when you're two-stepping, your car is gonna overheat like really fast. Like you're creating so much heat that if you're doing it non-stop, you're gonna overheat. So make sure your car is not overheating. Take breaks between, a couple minutes for the car to cool down, so you don't damage it. Don't touch anything else on the tune. I don't want you guys to break your car, and if you fuck it up, it's your fault. Don't do it. But I'll show you how. But don't do it. What the hell is that? Anyways, so my point is, if you're gonna do it, just remember you're fucking with your tune, and there's a danger on it. So I do it because if it breaks, it's my car, and alright. So I'm just showing you guys because I wanted to know. Nobody showed me, so I had to learn. Now I know. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so we're gonna go to Hondata, then right here, parameters, can't really say that word, but this, click on it, it's gonna bring you to this. Then you go over here to launch control, it's gonna bring you to this, maximum speed, so 7 miles will turn off. Limiter, you set it where you want it, it's gonna activate at this RPM. Fuel enrichment, so I have it at 150. I think that's kind of rich. Maybe that's why I'm not, making flames. So I'll take a little bit. I'll make it 100. Let me see how that works. 100. Then ignition timing. There's how much I'm retarding it. So these settings that I had will give you that RPM that I just showed you guys. So right now I'm taking out a little bit of fuel because it seemed like a lot of white smoke, so that might have been too much fuel. So once you do that, you upload it right here, and I usually just save it just in case, but I'll leave it alone for now. Then you just test it, start the engine and everything. You can mess with the setting while it's on, but I usually want to let it cool down. So let me see what it does. I should be able to see like some light or something. I see nothing. Okay, so also you can mess with the gain. So for that you will go to rev limit. Where is that? Let me see. Oh, right here. To where's the activation or whatever? Let me scroll down. Let me read the titles. Soft. Let's go a little bit softer. Softer is like I don't know how to explain that. But it's like instead of going really fast, like pops really fast. Come on, they click on it. What the fuck? Wait. Okay. Let me try this one. Cause that one I can't remove. I think it's this one. Okay. I think that one did it. I'm gonna record it. Okay, it didn't work, so let's go the other way. Remember, this is where we started. So now let's go to the middle. Come on, one more. One more. Oh, middle, right there. I ain't seen nothing, so let me keep messing with it. Alright. Okay guys, I figured it out. So what I did, you actually need to, instead of going up on power reduction, you go down. I put it all the way down to none, and then on launch control I went back to 150. So on launch control you set it fuel enrichment to 150, retarded time to like 38. It's fine. You can do more, but I'm fine with that. And then RPM, activation RPM, I left it in the middle. And right here for power reduction, just all the way to none. But remember to set this one up to, so you're gonna get some fire, or if you just want the normal pups. Also, if you want to make boost, if you're doing it for boost, I think you gotta raise this up so you get less flames, but you'll make boost. So this is for to get flames only, right? But if you want to get some boost, you raise this up and down, and then check your boost, and then you set it where you want the boost at. So I can't really show you guys that anymore because my boost gauge is, oh, it works. I mean, the light is on. But it will basically, you mess around the same way, but you'll be checking your boost while you hold in the two-step. And if it's not making boost, then you just raise up the power reduction up or down, and just go from there. And that's it, pretty much. So yeah, it's hard to do it on a Hondata S300, and it should work on most of the other cars as long as you have this, man. Just make sure you have ignition cut also. Just make sure you have ignition cut, or it will not work, you know. It will not shoot flames, it will not sound cool either. So that's the thing you gotta make sure you have, because some cars don't have that option. So if you don't have this option, then I wouldn't really mess with it, you know. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I have the crackle tune also video. It's gonna be my previous one, so just go to my channel. Any questions or anything you got, just hit me up on Instagram or the comments. The better way to reach me is the Instagram, but I'll look in the comments also. And if you live in Las Vegas, hit me up if you need this done. I'll help you out. I will not touch your tune. I will not tune your car. Just do this area only. So I will only do 2-step, and anything else I'll not touch it. All right. So it's gonna be, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, I guess. See you guys later. See you guys later.